friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see German for travelers. So we'll see a few basic phrases in German, few sentences, few questions. So that will be helpful for you if you are traveling for the first time to Europe or Germany. For any purpose, you can say for education purpose or just you are visiting or traveling and sightseeing. So it will be useful to you. No matter where you are traveling to Germany, but knowing some basic German phrases, it is always very helpful and it makes a good impression on the locals too. So we'll see a few basic phrases now. First one is hello. Hello meaning hello. Then Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen is good morning. Guten Tag, good day. Then Guten Abend. Guten Abend is good evening. Guten Nacht, good night. Then Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen meaning see you or goodbye. Then Danke. Danke is thank you. Bitte is please. Then comes Ja. Ja is yes. And Nein is no. So then a few numbers, if you know this, very basic numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It will be always helpful to get tickets for that matter, for any calculations, or if you want something from the shop or to buy tickets in public transport, it is always helpful. So on my channel, there is a separate video on basic numbers in German. I will provide a link in the comment box. You can go through it. So now few questions we'll see, or you can see phrases. Wie geht's? Wie geht's is a very common question, meaning how are you? So to start the conversation with anyone, you can start with wie geht's, meaning how are you? And if that person also asks you, then you can say mir auch gut, meaning I am also good, I am also fine. Mir auch gut. So this way you can start the conversation. And then you can extend the conversation by introducing yourself. Like ich heiße so and so. Or you can ask that other person's introduction, like wie heißen Sie, and so on. So the conversation will start and it will just go on. Now, in heiße, there is this beta kind of letter. So I have explained it in my other video called alphabets, basic German alphabets. So this means actually it is called as SZ in German, and it is pronounced as how we pronounce double S in English. It is the same pronunciation. Only this double S is replaced by this SZ or beta kind of letter. So this is a peculiarity, you can say, in German language, that this SZ or beta kind of letter, this is like extra. It is not in English. Then comes Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung meaning excuse me, right? So to get attention from any receptionist or shopkeeper, you can say Entschuldigung, and then you can start with the conversation. It means excuse me. Then wo ist? Now this is also very common and very important question. Wo ist meaning where is. So to know any address, if you want to know the address of airport or train station, or you can say city center. So you can ask wo ist. Now if suppose you want to go to the train station, so you can ask wo ist der Bahnhof. Bahnhof meaning train station. Then wo ist der Flughafen. Flughafen is airport. And then Stadtzentrum. Stadtzentrum meaning city center. So you can ask like this, wo ist der Stadtzentrum? Or Supermarkt. Supermarkt meaning supermarket. And taxi is taxi only. Only thing is pronunciation is taxi. and not taxi. The same with bank also. Bank, the German pronunciation is bank and not bank, but the word is same or the spelling is same, you can say. So like this, you can ask for this addresses. Wo ist? So this is also very common. If you are new there and you want some, you want to know the address of some particular thing or destination, you can ask like wo ist. Then einmal nach bitte. Okay, this is also very useful and very common. So actually, if you are traveling by public transport, as you know, in Germany, public transport is very, very good. It is among the world's best public transport, you can say. So if you are traveling there in public transport, you can ask for the ticket like einmal nach. Nach meaning two, to any destination. So and so, bitte. Bitte meaning please. So that way you can ask for the ticket. Like on einmal, it is zweimal also, like two tickets. If you want two tickets, you will say zweimal. Einmal, zweimal, and nach, whatever your destination is, bitte. Bitte is please. So this way, this is also very useful. Einmal, nach, bitte. Then, if you are vegetarian, pure vegetarian, or you are vegan, so you can say politely that ich esse kein or keine. Depends on the gender of the noun. It changes this kein and keine. So suppose you don't eat non-veg, you are vegetarian, pure vegetarian. You can say ich esse kein Fleisch. Fleisch is meat. Or you can say ich esse keine Milchprodukte, meaning milk products. If you are vegan, you will say politely that I don't eat this thing, or I don't drink milk, or don't eat milk products. So this is the polite way to say I don't eat. Ich esse kein or keine, or gluten also. You can say ich esse klein gluten, meaning I don't eat gluten. So this is a polite way to tell. Then die Rechnung bitte. Die Rechnung bitte is the bill please. Okay. Die is a article before Rechnung, because Rechnung is a feminine noun. So before feminine noun, there should be definite article die, D-I-E. So it will be the Rechnung bitte, meaning the bill please. So if you are going to any restaurant after your meal, you can ask for the bill, die Rechnung bitte. Or after your stay in a hotel, you can ask like the bill please, die Rechnung bitte. Then suppose in medical emergency, if you want to see a doctor, so how will you say in German? It is like ich brauche einen Arzt. Arzt meaning doctor. So I need to see a doctor. Or if you want to go to the hospital, you can just tell the other person, fahren Sie mich bitte zum Krankenhaus. Please take me to the hospital in any medical emergency. So this is also very important. You can say that ich brauche einen Arzt, meaning I need to see a doctor, or fahren Sie mich bitte zum Krankenhaus, meaning to hospital. So these are also very important phrases you can say. Then suppose you know a little bit German, so you can ask the other person like, sprechen Sie English, meaning do you speak English? Okay. And then you can continue with ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch, meaning I speak little bit German. So this is the way like to ask someone that do that person know English. Okay. So this is all about the basic phrases, basic sentences, questions. So this is like German for travelers. So if you are traveling for the first time to Germany, it will be very helpful to you, these phrases. Okay. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.